A safe, healthy, and compliant workplace takes more than rules. It takes insight, collaboration, and the right digital support. That's why integrating health, safety, and environment into your enterprise asset management system matters. With Ultimo, maintenance, operations, and safety come together in one powerful platform, helping you prevent incidents, work more efficiently, and stay fully compliant. Ultimo's HSE Suite supports incident management, work permits, task risk assessments, lockout, tagout, and management of change. By uniting safety and maintenance on one platform, you reduce siloed work, improve communication, strengthen data quality, and most importantly, create a safer workplace. The result is an organization that works safely, operates efficiently, and is always audit ready. And the impact is real. Vesta terminals achieve 20% cost savings, 20% less downtime, and 20% more efficiency. Kasuma Chemicals reduce downtime by 40%. Recticel insulation simplified from 30 systems to 1. With Ultimo, safety and efficiency work together. For more information or a demo, visit ultimo.com/HSE.